To show you how to update a person module in Divi, and because it's the type of module where you may want to use it across the site, it's a good idea to turn it into a global module. And a global module is one that is linked across the site. So for example, it could be a button or a call to action, or in this case, a person module. And it means that if you update it in one page on the site, it will automatically update it across the whole of the site. So it's a really useful tool to save you a lot of time. And the best way to update them when they've already been created is you can go into the page itself, but you can also go into the library. So in your main dashboard here in WordPress, logged in, on the left hand side, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom Divi and just open that menu there. And then go to Divi Library. And this is where all of the global modules and any other modules that you've saved as a template will be located. So we're just going to go into here. You can see we've got quite a lot of global modules here. Not all of them are global. The ones that are global are marked by this green globe icon. And you can see we've got lots of names of people here, and these are person modules. In fact, we can see in the category section that it actually lists the type of module it is here. So it's very easy to update it. So we're just going to update this one today. So we're just going to either click on it or click edit. And it will open just that module. And we can see that this is the modular version of Divi. So we want to do it so we can sort of see more clearly what's going on. So let's just do build on the front end. And this allows us to see what that module looks like when it's actually on the page. Here we go. So if you went into the page, this is what it might look like, depending on how many, what positioning. So for example, actually this is usually a module that's in a row with 3 columns, so it doesn't look so different. But we're going to click on the actual grey box itself and click the settings, and these are all the settings for the person. Okay, so we're just going to add a position. So let me just get rid of that. So we're just going to add a little bit here, and if we move this around, we can see that's what that looks like. We can add any other things here. We can add a biography. We can click on the image and change the image. We don't have a photograph yet, but you can just click on that and it takes you to the media library, so you can choose another image of somebody else or upload a new file. And then down the bottom on the admin label, I've put the name just so we know who it is. So that's a really useful thing to do, because when you then go into the Divi library, you can see exactly who it is. Otherwise, the default label is just going to be person module, which is not going to be very useful when there's 10 of them. We just click save and then go to the bottom and open this little row of settings. Do another save there for good measure. And if we exit the visual builder, this will take us back into that person module. And we can go into the front end now, check the page where that is, and make sure we're happy with it. But it's a very quick and easy way to update a whole load of person modules all in one go without having to scroll through all the different pages. So if we needed to, for example, add a new bit of information to every single one, it just means that we know that we've got all of them covered here.